This is the PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level, and it makes all of your DIY projects so much easier, even if you're not a pro. I have used it for multiple projects like hanging wallpaper and hanging cupboards in my laundry room to creating a board and batten wall in my mudroom. I love how simple it is to use. Just one switch turns on the horizontal and vertical lines so you can instantly see exactly where everything should line up. There is also an angle dial if you need a specific angle, and the LED lit bubble vials make it super easy to read even in low lighting. My favorite part is the wall mount base. You can pin it into rough surfaces, or if you don't want to pin it, you can use the adhesive strips on smooth walls so your hands are free to measure and mark. It projects bright, accurate lines up to 30 feet, and the lines are perfectly 90 degrees, which is huge for clean, professional-looking results. This is perfect for hanging pictures, gallery walls, shelves, tiling, woodworking, or any small home renovation project. It's compact, lightweight, runs on AA batteries, and you can just grab it and go whenever you need it. It's a simple tool that makes a big difference.